Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the lead's provenance and basic quality, because bad input ruins outcomes. Once you have verified consent and timestamps, set target metrics like cost per lead and conversion percentage so you can measure progress. Now import the trading lead into your dashboard via CSV or API. Map fields immediately to avoid data loss. Make sure to tag origin and intended campaign. These first steps put you in control and prevent wasted spend while giving you a baseline to iterate from. Once data is mapped, segment leads by intent, value, and timing so you prioritize high-probability opportunities. You should apply routing rules and lead scoring that reflect those segments, and assign leads to channels or reps based on availability and skill. Then configure an automated first touch, email or SMS, paired with one rapid follow-up within 1 hour. Speed matters. Monitor delivery and engagement metrics in real time, and adjust scoring thresholds or routing rules to keep the pipeline healthy and conversion-focused. You finish by reconciling outcomes, attribute conversions, update lead statuses, and close the loop so data reflects reality. Run daily reports that show delivery, response rate, and ROI by source to spot decline early. If things go wrong, first check field mapping, API credentials, and message throttling, then inspect spam filters or provider limits. Make sure to revert to a known working snapshot if needed. Continually refine scoring and cadence based on these results to improve yield over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.